Good morning, students. In this module of data frame, we will study about how to display the subset of the data frames. If you want to display some of the rows of the data frame, some of the columns of the data frame, particular columns of particular rows of the data frame, to access the cell value of a data frame. These all things we will cover in this module. Let's start. Yes, selecting or accessing a subset from a data frame. Suppose we have a frame and it is a very large frame. Suppose we have thousands of rows and columns are there. Then how to display a particular rows or particular columns of the data frames we will learn in this module. The first method we will study in this module is LOC. LOC is locate, means if you want to locate some of the rows or some of the columns of the data frame according to the index label or the column labels, then use the LOC function. Second we will study in this module is ILOC. ILOC is similar to LOC, but only difference is that in case of LOC we use labels of the rows and columns, and in ILOC we use integer location of the rows or columns to access it. Third is at function we will study. At means if we want to access a particular cell value, like I want to access the physics marks of student 3, then it means I will use to display only a single value, then I can use add function. Let's start. First we discuss about the LOC. LOC function is, you can see this is the syntax of the LOC. df.loc square bracket start row colon end row comma start column colon end column. The syntax of the LOC is very similar to the slicing we have discussed in 2D array in NumPy. df.loc, first we use this function, then write the start row label from where you want to start the rows to display. Start row colon end row, then start column. Start column is the label from where you want to start to display the columns, and then end columns you have to provide. This is the complete syntax of the LOC, but LOC can be used in different variations, like to access a row. If you want to display only rows, a particular row, then you will use df.loc, write the row label and comma colon. Colon here means all the columns of a particular row. Clear? To access a multiple rows, we write df.loc start row colon end row, and columns I want to display all, then I will write comma colon. Clear? These three variations of the LOC functions are there. Next is to access a selective column. If you want to display not all the columns, you want to display like name column and physics column, and these are in continuation, you can write df.loc colon here means first column here means all the rows, and start column colon end column means from where you want to start and from where you want to end. Clear? If you want to access a range of columns from a range of rows, then you have to use the complete syntax of df.loc, which we discussed at the first position. df.loc start row colon end row comma start column colon end column, because rows are also multiple, columns are also multiple. It means we have to specify the both slice along with LOC. Clear? Next is, this is the example data frame I am using to discuss about the LOC more. Suppose we have a data frame with the 4 rows having index Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai, and 4 columns are there. You can see population, hospital, schools. 3 columns are there. Clear? 3 column, 4 rows are there. Clear? Now we use the LOC like this. Suppose I have used df.loc Delhi comma colon. It means Delhi is the row label comma colon. It means colon I am using at the second as a second parameter. It means all the columns of Delhi row will appear. It means this code will display only the Delhi row data. Clear? I can write this code as df.loc Delhi. Clear? I can use clear df.loc Delhi. Next is, if I want to display Mumbai to Kolkata rows, Mumbai to Kolkata and all the column of Mumbai and Kolkata rows, then I will write df.loc Mumbai colon Kolkata. Mumbai and Kolkata rows both are in continuation, so I will write Mumbai colon Kolkata. In between there is no row, it means only 2 rows of data frame will be displayed, Mumbai and Kolkata. Now next syntax, next code I am discussing here. Suppose I have used a data frame here with the columns name, physics, chemistry, maths, and the name of the data frame I am creating is 11th, print 11th. Then I have used print 11th chemistry. You can see 11th chemistry will display the column chemistry of the data frame, and this code will display the whole data frame. Now I have used the 11th LOC2. What does this mean? 11th LOC2 means 2 is the row number 2 having index data label 2. It means third row will be displayed, and all the columns of the third row will be displayed. Next is print 11th.loc 1 colon 3. It means 1 colon 3. It means second row, third row, fourth row, because by default the row labels are 0, 1, 2, 3 like these. 2, 3, 4 rows will be displayed, and in the next you can see 1 colon 3 physics colon chemistry. 1, 2, 3 row labels having 1, 2, 3, and the column labels are physics, chemistry will be displayed. It means row number 2, 3, 4 and column physics, chemistry will be displayed. And next is print df 11th df.loc Mayank.Diksha and physics comma colon chemistry. It means Mayank to Diksha will be displayed and physics to chemistry columns will be displayed. Clear? Now one more thing I want to tell you in this LOC function. When we use the LOC function, because we are using the index label and column label, it means when we use the slice like 1 colon 3, it means 1, 2, 3 index label will be displayed. The basic format of the slicing is that if we write 1 colon 3 in case of array or in case of string, then start from 1 and end at 2. We less than 1 from the last position. But here in LOC, no need of this. 1 colon 3 means 1 index label, 2 index label and 3 index label. It means you have to reach at the end. Start from 1 and end at 3. No rule for less than 1 is there in LOC. Clear? Next is output of the previous slide code which we have discussed. You can see that the frame is Rajiv, Mayank, Aditi, Diksha, Kuldeep, physics marks, chemistry marks, maths marks. These are the outputs of the previous frame. Chemistry column is displayed. Second line is this. Then we have displayed the LOC2. LOC2 means 2 index label row will be displayed. It means Aditi will be displayed. Clear? Name Aditi, physics 89, chemistry 98, maths 98. Clear? This is the LOC2 output, you can see. Clear?